I mean, might be the second part because we did the first part before. The drive is gonna be the first part, but the second part is, look at that. It's blue water.
Yeah.
Normally all the water in this country is brown because it's not exactly as clean as it could be. There's not enough let's just say it like this, wildlife that cleans the water.
Oh.
That's amazing. Wanna walk over there and look at that one?
Sure. Let's go.
That one over there.
What about you?
I'm gonna move the moto. Hello. Yeah, I'm totally driving right now because you know this is safe. We're going to a waterfall, but I'm not exactly sure how far it is. I've been driving for like, what, 2-3 hours then. The water has done some damage to the road here, but not bad. I think there's a concrete road under it. I'm pretty sure that there's something wrong. I mean, there's nothing wrong per se, but the bumps earlier.
Yeah. I think it's only happened to the clutch, right? Or the tire too.
The tire's fine. Tires get all the pressure back up. It's just the clutch itself. So I still have the like that right there. It shouldn't stop there. But I mean, there's no problem with it now. I can just continue riding with this dot right there. Clutch busts while we're here. That's gonna be really bad.
I guess he's almost there.
Oh, I see the problem. Okay.
What's the problem?
It's right here. I see the problem now. Yeah. It's a bolt that's loose.
The chain?
No. It's a bolt. This bolt right here.
Oh, ooh, damn.
Shoot. Like it's searing hot.
Hey, fixing a motorbike in the middle of a road and mountains. Super lit.
It's good because at least I know what the heck I'm doing. Bianca would have done this so easily.
Huh?
Bianca would have done this so easily. Bianca's my motto. Blanca. Bianca. That's the name of her. They say it's bad luck to never name your things like ships and cars and motors. But is that it? Oh, we still have to climb more.
More.
Oh my god.
It's just bathroom, bro.
That's just the bathroom.
Uh-huh.
What is it? 25 meters the bathroom?
There.
That way.
Ow.
Oh, I got a good walking stick. So we'll see.
Okay. Again. Encore.
Yeah. I'm guessing these are little places they can rent out.
Very much.
Oh man.
Very much expensive.
Even ground.
So no.
Oh. It's not a bad place so far. So, what's this place called again?
Chirio Waterfall.
Chirio?
Yep. Waterfall.
Chirio Waterfall. Okay.
You can say it as mountain waterfalls or whatever. It's
Mountain
the
Waterfall.
Same.
I mean, a waterfall does come from a mountain, majority of the times.
Yeah.
Oh, I can hear little kids dying. I mean, jumping.
Jeez.
Okay, let me just stop for a minute. Video now?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Basically, the tour guide finally came through. So, we're at this waterfall, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty good. I can see that the water itself is pretty clean. Because you know, whenever you go down or when water goes down a path like this, the rocks they clean it.
It's supposed to be cold.
It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cold because of the rock. Oh my god.
Lose my stick.
Huh?
Lose my stick.
To what?
I don't want to lose my stick.
No, yours is then.
All right, this is the first level,
And that's ground.
and over there is a fun ridge. If you want to step on, you might want to grab onto this. All right.
Really?
No, I'm grabbing it. Okay. You just have to be careful.
Cute.
Definitely see that there's it's a dry season. Like all of that must definitely be filled with water. There's a lot of leaves that look like they're carrying a lot of paths the water is taking. It's February. I'm guessing this place must be killer around, what do you think, October? November?
Something around rainy season.
October, November. That
December.
part right there looks pretty good. But I think that, what now? Is this the highest we go?
Should we go higher?
I can totally go higher.
Let's go. What does the cow say? What does the cow say? Louder. What does he say? Jeez, they ain't not bothered at all. Look at them. So unbothered.